Over the years, the top-up machines in Singapore have undergone various advancements. Presently, these machines, including those in Changi airport stations, have been updated with the latest technology to accommodate various payment methods. Upon your arrival at Changi airport station, you will encounter one of these modernized top-up machines. Let's walk through the process of using it, whether you prefer contactless payment or cash method. Top-up machine with both contactless and cash payment method. Step 1. Locate the top-up machine. Currently, the newest machine comes with contactless payment and cash top-up methods, and are usually located near the MRT station's gantry gate. Look for machine with cash payment slot on the top right corner. Step 2. Select your language. Every top-up machines, by default, is in English, but there are other commonly used local languages too. Step 3. Place your card on the card reading slot. Place either your EZ-Link card or Singapore Tourist card on the card reading slot. Step 4. Select top-up amount and the method. There are 3 methods of topping up your card on this machine. One is by nets, cards with the nets payment function. The other is by credit card or debit card, contactless or by PIN numbers, and the last is by cash. Sadly, as indicated on the machine, only local issued bank cards are allowed only. So for tourist, the only option is by cash. On the screen, select the cash option. Step 5. Pay the amount. Insert your cash into the cash slot. Please note that the minimum amount is $2, and only Singapore currency is accepted in $2, $5, $10, and $50. After the correct amount is inserted, select the Confirm option. Step 6. Take your card. After the top-up is completed, a green light will lit up around your card reading slot. Just take the card and it is done. Step 6. Optional, print receipt for your cash payment. If you like to have a receipt, select the receipt option before you take your card. For some who might have local issued bank cards, on Step 4, select top-up amount and the method. There are 2 methods, either by nets or by credit card or debit card. Under your preferred options, please select your preferred top-up amount. Step 5. Pay the amount. Once you would select the amount, for both options, nets or credit card or debit card, either insert your card into the device and enter your PIN numbers, or tap the card on the reading device. Step 6. Take your card. After the top-up is completed, a green light will lit up around your card reading slot. Just take the card and it is done. Step 6. Optional, print receipt for your card payment. If you like to have a receipt, select the receipt option before you take your card. For promo deals, you can refer the links in below descriptions. Click here for more videos regarding essential information about your trip to Singapore. Thank you for staying to the end.